your hands together for Anshita for public speaking.
Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Today I'm very much excited, and my name is Anshita, and I'm going to give a public speaking on a topic, and the topic is education. So, education. What if, we all are very much aware of the fact that what is education and what does it mean. So, friends, I would like to share my views over the education. So, in my opinion, education is,
Education is. That's okay. Education is.
okay. Education is learning experience, and it brings out an inherent and permanent change in a person's thinking and ability to do things. Education is not the learning of the fact, but it is the training of mind to think. But some people thought that by reading books or by doing a particular job, by doing a particular course, by achieving particular qualification, they thought that they are educated. But no, if you don't know how to integrate it in your attitude, what you have read into your if you don't know how to implement it in our real life, so at that time your education would be meaningless. But you know what? Our education system is
Anshita, आपको क्या करना है? You need to watch everyone so that you can have proper eye contact with everyone. You are speaking excellently. Please go on.
okay. Yeah. So you know what? Our education system is totally.
Yeah, it depends on theories more than practical.
Yeah, and our education is only responsible for this type of thinking, because you know in our country people's always being judged by on the basis of their marks, on the basis of their grades or the certificates which they have achieved in whole of their lives. So you know what, if I would like to share my personal experience when I was in my schooling, so my parents was always used to say that you have to perform better, you have to achieve good marks, you have to top the class, and that time their words was stuck in my mind, and my only motive was that I only want to top the class and at any how or at any cost. So if I don't understand the things, I simply used to cram the things, and same thing happens with each and everyone. People don't want to know why we are studying, what is the purpose of education. And even our teachers used to say that read last year papers or learn important questions. So education is not about only to getting a good marks. It is all about what we are learning by the things and how we are implementing it in our real life. So education is not the putting the information on human minds. We should taught our children that how to think, not what to think. So you know, because of our education system, there are lots of students commit suicide. They thought that they can't clear the board exam, so they are not good students at all. So they thought that they commit suicide. But for such kind of students, I want to share a quotation written by Albert Einstein.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. The Einstein quotation is.
So Albert Einstein's quotation is, he says that everyone is a genius, but if we judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, so it takes its life to thinking that it is stupid. Same thing, all human beings and all students can't be same, can't have same ability, can't have same potential to do a particular work or thing. So always do the things you are always try to do things what you really want to do. Always incline towards your interest and spend your skills to the right things and at the right time. It is the real education. So if I talk about the importance of education, so education helps us to build our status on our society. It changed the orthodox thinking of the people, you know, in earlier time, people used to think, especially for the girls, that why we educate our girls, what she will do after studying. She has to go.
Yes.
She has to go some other home, and she has only do household chores and manage their family
Domestic
or
chores.
children.
And doing domestic chores.
Yeah, and domestic chores, what they will do after studying. And you know, only the education is the single thing which has changed the orthodox thinking of the people. It is the education that we are here, and now girls and boys are equal. Even girls are better than boys. So,
In some cases.
in some cases, yeah. So education is also important for all-round development of a person. It teaches us values. It teaches us humanity, and you know, responsible.
It makes us responsible.
Yeah, it makes us responsible, and you know, responsible students, responsible peoples can take the responsibility or manages the works of our country, and can able to manage our society in a very well manner. And they never follows the
Their passion.
unrealistic malpractices. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Okay, fine. Okay, go on.
Yeah. Uneducated people can never follow the malpractices. Even they try to change people's orthodox thinking, and they try to aware of the peoples that how education and what is real education, and why we should always try to think. We always have critical thinking. We should always know what is the fact behind a particular thing. So this is the real education. And at last, I would like to say something that education is the most powerful weapon using which we can conquer the world, or using which we can change the world. Thank you so much.
Amazingly well. Clap for her.